B.Sc Criminology and Security Studies is a 4-year course too, and has 8 semesters by standard. On flexible mode, 16 semesters, which will be we're taking half of the courses per semester, and that will amount to a maximum of 16 semesters. So that's the policy. So you have 4 GST which are compulsory. Never ignore any of them, otherwise you still have to come back and take them. So you are expected to pass 19 units from this semester, and you've registered 23, which is actually a good thing because it gives you an edge to pass properly. If you fail one that is not too critical, you don't have to retake that one because you've passed your 19. You've gotten your 19, and your fee, first compulsory fee for 100 level is 36,000. So you sum up the cost of the registration. This is a payment for your course materials, and 1,000 is generally for exam fee for undergraduate students. It will cost a total of 3,500 for 3 unit course and 3,000 for 2 unit course. So sum that up, you have 65,500 for your first semester 100 level. So second semester 100 level, you have these courses and 2 units. These are your courses, and 2 GSTs, 2 GSTs. So you're expected to pass 19 and you've registered 21, which is still okay, very okay. And here are your fees as well. 3 units, 2,500, 1,000, 3,500. 2 units, 2,000, 1,000, 3,000. So that's how you sum this up, and that comes down to 44,500 for your second semester 100 level. And that's it. You go to 200 level first semester. These are your courses. You have GST 204 here too, and you are expected to pass 20 units from this semester, even though you registered 22 units. It doesn't mean you are allowed to fail any of these GSTs. GST 201, no. You must pass them. Maybe if you fail this 245, if it is not the core course, you might just keep going because you've made your 20 credit units, and you have your fee to be 45,000. Okay, so second semester you have these courses too, 2 more GSTs, and you're expected to pass 17 units from this semester, even though you registered 22 units. Your fee is still 45,000 in the end. You remember you will be paying 18,000 from second semester 100 level as compulsory fee. First semester was 36,000. From second semester to final year is 18,000 generally. Okay, this is 300 level first semester. You have your GST 302 here. Very good for you to develop some business acumen. I would help you when you graduate. There might be no job, maybe immediately or whatever, but you need that business. You need it. That's why NOUN is pushing this course throughout the entire department to make sure you get familiar with one business or another. Okay, here you have registered 23 unit course and you are expected to pass 20. You know what that means. If you pass 20, you may not need to rewrite whatever carryover that there is. So you have 46,000 as your fee for 300 level first semester. 300 level second semester, you have 6 courses here. 17 units are required, even though you registered 19. If there's any other course there, you could switch them. Must not be exactly these courses here, but do not touch the core courses. You can make changes within the electives. Unless everything you saw in your portal is core courses, then you will have to choose 17 that you feel are okay for you. So you have 39,500 as your fee. So 400 level first semester, you are expected to pass 21 units, even though you registered complete 24. So here is your IT field observation, 6 units, 10,000 as the fee. Your fee for the 400 level first semester is 49,000 out of the sum of your fees. So you go for the final semester. If you are studying on a standard mode, that's for 8 semester mode. If it is flexible mode, this might just be your 4th semester, your 8th semester, but your second year. That's, you have been taking half of the courses, yet you are paying the compulsory fee complete. So that's the disadvantage. The advantage might be that you register few courses, it gives you more opportunity to study more and pass properly. But the disadvantage is the financial aspect of it, where you continue to pay the exact same compulsory fee that those that took more of those courses does. And we have 18 required here, even though you registered up to 19. 19 and 18, there's no 1 unit course here that you could fail, so you must pass all of them. You must pass all of these courses here. So that's one thing when the difference is not much. So the basic fee remains 15,000 and the sum is 45. So coming down here, you have registered 174 units. The sum of the credits units you have registered is 174. That's total credits carried. Then how many are required? Even though you registered 174, you are expected to pass 151. If you started from 100 level, if you started from 200 level direct entry, you're expected to pass at least 125. Now, since you have carried 174, how many have you passed? Is it up to 151? If it is, that means you are a graduate. If it is not, you go back, find the courses, whether from carryover or whatever they are, unregistered, register them completely, take the exams, and make sure it's up to 151. That's when you become a graduate.